It's out. Right then, another beach, North Devon. I was hoping to meet up with Kev and John. John unfortunately is babysitting, looking after his granddaughter, and Kev has just messaged me to say that his daughter's not feeling very well. So not a problem. I'm back down next week and the week after, so I'm more than happy to meet up with them again. But yeah, so that's my playground for the next few hours. Enjoy. See you at the first hole. Alright, first target 52. Out with the Deus 2. I think I've already told you that anyway. And what we got? We've got a dog tag. I'll have a look at it elsewhere. It's just got 2 phone numbers on it and no name. Just a dog tag. First target. Alright, it's in the scoop. So I got distracted then with the dog yelping. I don't know what happened. It's just a washer. Just a washer. Bullet casing. Yeah, just a bullet casing. There you go. I anticipate finding a few of them. Alright, it's out. It's in the scoop. And there it is. Yeah, another one. Not very old, 2007. But there you go. Oh, it's not a good sign. Where's my camera? Oh, the camera's still there. That's fine. No. This time we have a musket ball. A little one. Probably pistol shot, maybe. That was a surprise. There you go. What is that? Is that a button? I think it's a button. Yeah, it's a little button. But it is an 88, 89. So it's going to be dug. Oh, what is that? I was hoping it was going to be something encrusted, but oh, that is solid. Solid as a rock. There's some here. Yeah, there is. Let's have a look. Oh, what's that? See it? is that? Part of a hinge, part of a lock, I should say. I don't know. It's brass anyway. I think it's part of a lock. Yeah, look, a keyhole there. Oh, it looks like I've got another 4-hole button. Didn't show the dig because I thought it was going to be a bit of rubbish. It was out of there. Some people it is rubbish, but yeah, 4-hole button. 86 not moving. Hopefully, be something nice. It says. Oh. Apologise for the dogs in the background. That's an 86, 87 now. God. Now I know why John uses a spade down here. That's just there. Nearly out. Oh, it's out. It's out. That's a coin. Of course, a big old coin. I don't know if there's an old penny. Yeah, it's an old penny. I'll try not to rub it too much, so I would like to get some detail off of it. First coin of the day. Can't quite make out who it is. Take his gloves off. Bloody dogs. Let's have a spray with this. Good old Lucasade, eh? Was actually more for me. There's Britannia. And it's George V. George V penny. There you go. I've just rubbed a little bit off anyway, just so I can see the back. But yeah, 1 penny, George V. $56. Come up onto the little bit softer sand now. Is it 5p? Yeah, it's 5p piece. Oh, there you go, 5p. Right, up against the wall, as in the this part of the wall, not right up in the soft. I've got a 65. Can you hear it? There it is. I've got a 10 pence piece. 10 pence. I've just got a 10 pence piece from there. Oh, doesn't sound so good now. There you go. 86, 87. Right. What's going on here? Right, it's out. Oh, there it is there. There it is there. 2 pence piece. Oh, a 5 pence piece. I can hear something here. And a pound coin. That would do me nicely. Thank you very much. Make sure there's nothing else. No, nothing else. Right. Where are we? Got a coin there. Little spill there. And I've just got another one. Well, I say it's another one. It's an 88, so it should be. It should be a pound coin. There it is. £1 coin. Not bad at all. Clearly recent. And probably from the same people. I don't know who's been digging here. Maybe a dog, maybe. Right, I'm going to go up onto the drier sand and see what I've got up here. Or what we get up here, I should say. Right, just found an ink pen. A letter F on it. Nice to find the lid. That's a pity. And it's got the letter F on it. There you go. A fountain pen. I've got a 9091. Absolute miles to nowhere. Bloody vape. Look. Right out. I still managed to get a vape. In quite good condition as well, to be fair. There you go.